Let's see how to translate a Microsoft Word document instantly with a single click. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, what we have is all of this text in English language. Now let's say that you want to translate this document instantly using one click. And to do that, instead of manually searching up translation tools and copying and pasting your words, what you can do is use the translate function that is a feature of Microsoft Word. So first, head on over to the review tab, and from here, click on translate, and you will have two options to either translate document or to translate a selection whatever you select using your cursor. Now, let's click Translate Document since we want to translate this entire document. Let's say that we want to translate it to the Filipino language. Now, click on Translate. And as you can see, we now have a new document that is in the Filipino language. And as you can see, Microsoft Word has successfully translated our English document. I hope it helped, and I will see you soon.